Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Chantel here. If you're just seeing me for the first time, I am a content creator based in West Africa, Nigeria to be precise. If you like what you see already, please do well to subscribe and also turn on your bell icon so you're notified on my next upload. Thank you so much. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. I'm going to be showing you all the content of my 10K giveaway box. If you're returning on this channel, you might recall when I did a video where I got things from my subscribers and I promised I was going to give same to my subscribers. I decided to infuse it into this 10K giveaway. Yeah, I'm aware that it's long overdue because at this point I'm already at 12K, but a promise is a promise. So I decided I was going to show you all the content first, and then at the end of this video announce the winners of the giveaway boxes. So I'm going to select 2 people personally from my channel, as opposed to my previous giveaways where I do like a random selection online, and if you get it, it's your luck. For this one, I'm going to personalize it. I already know the people I'm going to be gifting these boxes to, and I will send it to them just in appreciation of supporting my channel. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you. I wish I could do more, but yeah, finances are limited, so I'm just limiting it to 2 people, and hopefully in the future we get to do more giveaways and open it internationally. For now, it is only restricted to my Nigerian viewers. I love you all my viewers from the US, from Canada, from the UK, from South Africa, everywhere. Very soon, don't worry, okay? These are the boxes. Yeah, identical. This is in pink. It's like a neon pink, and then it has floral detail on the cover. This is a close-up of it. Kickstarting with the first box, these are the content. Yeah, I'm going to just tell you everything that is inside here and show you as well. This is a jewelry box, and it contains jewelry. It is a set of necklace, ring, and earrings. It looks like this very popular brand that people wear a lot, that is really expensive, and this is in zirconia, so it's going to last a long time for whoever wins this giveaway. Next in the box is this makeup remover wipes. That's what it looks like. It's the Energy of Fruits makeup remover wipes in watermelon. It contains 35 sheets of wipes. The packaging is so pretty. And then the next thing in here is a set of facial towel. This is a 3-in-1 facial towel set. It has a blue, a green, and a pink facial towel. So yeah, whoever gets it will have extra facial towel. The 4th item in this box is an Ultrex flushable feminine wipe. So if you're going to use a public toilet, you're safe with this. You clean it, it's very lightly fragranced, it's alcohol free. And overall, it's just suitable for your private area. Next in this box is an eyeshadow quad. This is an Estee Lauder eyeshadow quad. This is what the front looks like. When you open it, it contains 4 beautiful colors and also a brush. The colors are very nude, so this will make a very cute nude eyeshadow look, and you can also double up the eyeshadows as blushes because they are really nice, really nice. It also has this very huge mirror inside. Cute. I also threw in lip products. This is a lip gloss, lip pop from Estee Lauder as well, and also a lipstick from Estee Lauder as well. You guys, I come through for my subscribers, you all know this. This is a lip gloss in the shade Fizzy Pear 1007. It's nude and it has some speckle of glitters in it. I really love this one. I'm even thinking of keeping this for myself, but I've already mentioned I'm giving it out, so I might as well do that. The next is a lipstick, an Estee Lauder lipstick. These are all new products, and this is a pure color long-lasting lipstick in the shade Rouge Long or something. I don't know. I really don't know what the word is. The last item in the box is this white slippers. Got it from a Nigerian brand. It's very solid. I tried it on in that video and it's really cute. So those are the items in this box. Lastly, I'm going to include a thank you card to whoever gets it, just to say thank you for being there on this channel, for supporting me, for watching my ads. That's so important. Right now it's empty. I'm yet to include the sweet messages inside, and yeah, It's just to say thank you, a thank you card. So we're done with this first box. Before I slide into the second box, just a moment to talk about the sponsors of this video, Skillshare. Skillshare, as the name depicts, skill plus share, is an online learning community that is aimed to inspire you and move your creativity journey forward. You get to learn skills from topics that include and not limited to videography, photography, productivity, fine art, illustration and graphics, self-care, crafts and arts, from people who are already pros in this field, and they get to teach you from their experiences and give you examples on how to improve in the field that you are looking to learn something new from, regardless of your expertise level. All of these unlimited classes you can get for a negligible fee every month. It is not expensive at all. But being the nice person I am, and Skillshare being nice enough to support me, we're giving you all a 1 month free premium membership on Skillshare. Just click on the link in my description box and it redirects you. Classes can be streamlined to suit your needs. So if you're into photography, you put that. If you're into videography, you put that. And then they recommend classes that are in that field, which is really, really amazing. You don't need to waste a lot of time browsing the app for these things. They just streamline it to suit your needs. All right, the second box, which is this one, I am just going to open it up right now and then show you all the content. It's almost similar to the first one, but I decided to make something slightly different so that each person gets a different experience. So the first thing here is also a thank you card, just to say thank you. And then I also have the flushable feminine wipes, because there are females getting this, and this is so good. I use it and it's amazing. Then you also have the wipes. Who doesn't like makeup removal wipes? Everybody wears makeup, or almost every female wears makeup. So you need something that is gentle on the skin to take off the makeup. This is the Energy of Fruits one I showed you all in the first box. Next we have the box similar to that first one, but with different jewelry. So this is in purple color, and the content is also jewelry. But this is just a necklace, a long necklace, like so, and earrings. The earrings are so cute. I love them so much. Fourth item here is a needlework box. So this contains thread, pins, needles, buttons, tweezers, scissors, coins, just everything you need for your sewing on the go. And it comes with this box that you can close it and just throw into your bag. Say for instance you're traveling, or you just want to have it handy in case you go out and you face a clothing emergency. It's a nude pink color, which is one of my faves. Also from the same brand I got the white slippers from. So this is a yellow one and it's in crisscross design. I really like it. Then we also have lipstick and lip gloss in this one. So this is a lipstick from Estee Lauder. This is in a very cute raspberry color. Very cute. This lipstick will suit everyone regardless of your skin tone, whether you're dark skin or light skin. And it comes with a matching lip gloss. So if you want to pop this on top of the lipstick just to add some more color, this is a Pure Pops lip gloss in the shade Berry Twist. Last thing in this box is a blush. This is a Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush and is in the shade Party. We like to party. Hey guys, that's it. Those are the contents of the boxes. I've come a long way on this YouTube journey. It's been a long while. I thank God that I am now starting to reap the dividends of my hard work. Sleepless nights, the cracking your brain to get content, the talks from different people. I recently came across a video on Skillshare anchored by Lily Singh. She's a YouTuber, a very big one at that, where she talked about video storytelling on YouTube and beyond, social media success. One thing that hit me was when she talked about how to deal with the negativity.
And if you're anything like me, I'm a sensitive artist. When people say things about my projects, it makes me feel some type of way, and that's okay. How I have learned to navigate the world of social media, you have to like what you're doing more than you're scared of what other people think. Because regardless how good your content is, someone out there will not relate to it, and someone out there will not like it. What you need to do is focus on the positives. Focus on the people who you are making content for. Do not focus on the people who you are not making content for. And it's easier said than done. So remember these words. Focus on the people you are making the content for. And if they give you criticism, take it constructively. Do not focus on the hate. from the people you are not making the content for.
This is such a great class if you're someone who has been struggling with YouTube growth and just trying to fit in basically in terms of your content, how people perceive your content, the number of people that like it, number of people that don't like it, if you're doing it for passion, how it's being assimilated. Those things are a lot to worry about, but I feel like you should just make the conscious effort to like what you're doing more than you're scared of what people will say about you. That was actually my take home from that Lily Saints class on Skillshare, and I decided I was going to share it with you all. If you're one of those who has already taken part in the 1 month free premium membership on Skillshare, I urge you to renew your membership. I actually renewed for 1 year. I paid for 1 year because there are so many things I have been able to get from Skillshare. I kid you not, like there are so many things I've learned that I never knew existed in terms of my content creation, in terms of live in general. So many people come to my DM and they're like, oh, what settings do you use? How are your videos so crisp and clear? To be honest, most of them are credited to what I have learned on Skillshare. So yeah, click on that link in my description box. The first 1,000 people to get there will enjoy 1 month free premium membership on Skillshare. Drum roll! The winners of the giveaway, the first box I am going to be giving to Valentine Bombs. Valentine has always been here on my channel. She has been steady. She has just been the sweetest person. Whenever I am offline, she takes out time to send me a DM on Instagram asking what the problem is, if everything is okay. She's a day one supporter in simple terms. Thank you so much, Valentine. I am so grateful. I hope you get to watch this video so that you can send me your details on where you want me to ship the items. God bless you. May God provide more money for you so that you can get data and keep watching my videos and also watching my ads. Second winner of my 10K giveaway is Christabel Onitiri. Christabel Onitiri has been here on my channel, say for the past 1 year and a few months, because I started seeing her comments during that period. I'm very meticulous when it comes to my comments, when it comes to my subscribers. When you continue commenting, right, and you don't comment for a while, I know I actually notice your absence. I'm that type of person. So I know that Christabel has been steady here on my channel. From our last conversation, I realized that she's a youth copper. So from her little allowance, she's watching my videos, she's watching my ads. She has just been steady here on my channel, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Christabel. Please contact me for your giveaway prize where I'm going to send it to, and I'm sure you all will like the content inside. It's so good that even the box you can use for storage. That's how good these boxes are. Watch out to this point and you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, subscribe if you are yet to. I'm so grateful. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.